back. It's been a few weeks. Last video I made, I had COVID and I'm feeling so much better now. I think after my last video, I was quite bad then, but the next few days were really bad. So yeah, I've been recovering. I'm back. I have a friend here also. This feather duster here, that is my cat. She's come to say hello. So today I've got the Lookfantastic Revolution box unboxing. I ordered this ages ago and I think it came while I had COVID. So I've been really excited to open it because I've not looked in it yet. It's been that long as well, I forgot what's in it. So yeah, let's get cracking. Okay, so you get the usual edit in here, which has details on all the products. Ooh, this is exciting. Ooh. So this is inside the box. As you can see, it's jam-packed. First thing we've got is the Pout Bomb Plumping Lip Gloss with vitamin E. Like that. Assuming, yeah, this will be a plumping one, so it'll be like a tingle. So that'll be cool. I think I'll give you, hopefully it'll tell me the RRP of each item as well. It doesn't. Get the Heartbreakers Glow, designed with a nostalgic look and feel. This highlighter is pretty damn special with a heart-shaped shell and a jagged split heart inside. This super cute vanilla scented highlighter reveals a gorgeous shimmering champagne glow. That's really awkward that they've actually typed the wrong description next to the product in the book. And that would be the first one that I read. What? Right, okay, so next to the highlighter, it actually says the same thing. Next to the Pout Bomb Plumping Gloss Glaze, it's got the same description as the highlighter. That's awkward. As we were on the topic, and the next thing we've got is the Heartbreakers I Love Revolution highlighter. This is the packaging. Little cardboard box. Take the lid off. Oh, it's cute. Just gonna. You can see that there. It's very pigmented. Can't beat a nice highlighter. Next item we've got is the Revolution Pro Goddess Glow Fixing Spray. Fixing spray that gives the skin a dewy finish. It literally looks like a bottle of gold. It's very fine mist. Oh, it smells nice. It smells like vanilla or something. Okay, next thing we've got is the, this word, Revolution Skincare London Blemish and Pore Refining Serum for blemishes and pores. Super trim formula. I can never pronounce this word. Niacinamide. That's horrendous. I have no idea. So yeah, this is a serum. I've used some Revolution skincare products before. I actually quite like them. So this is the serum. It is a 30ml bottle. But yeah, I do quite like their skincare actually. I've used a few things, so. The next thing I've got is Revolution Lift and Define 5D Lash Extra Dimension Mascara. Extreme Extension Mascara. This sounds exciting. Instant lash lift, apparently. I said in my last video as well, I've got so many new mascaras to try. It's becoming like a bit of a sick joke. I like the packaging. It's Let's have a little look at this. Oh, it's got a nice brush. Fabulous. So I'll give that a go. Okay, next thing I've got is the Revolution Soap Styler. For laminate, fluffy natural soap brows. I've never used one of these soaps before. Okay, so obviously there's the soap and then you get a little, it's basically like a mini toothbrush for your eyebrows. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying that out. Next thing I've got, I do already own one of these, not from Revolution, but from a different brand. This is the white Jade facial roller from Revolution Skincare. So this is the double-ended one as well, which is quite cool. So it's got obviously the big end and a small end for like your little crevices and stuff. When I moved into the new house where I am now, I did lose my old one. So I kept meaning to try and find it so that it can go in the fridge and then I can use it. So yeah, I'll probably end up using this one anyway. And then the next thing I've got is the Revolution Pro Crystal Eye Quad Champagne Crystal. I'm not sure what this is. A combination of complementing shadows in a jewel encrusted palette. Ooh, I didn't know this was in here. Well, like I said, I ordered this that long ago. I completely forgot what was in here. It's really good value as well. You get 9 products in here. It was £30 if you're a subscriber for the limited edition box. It's all products I've never tried as well, which obviously is a winner. I do really like Revolution products. I've got quite a lot of like palettes. I've used some of the skincare before. I recently actually got I did show it in a video, the new highlight and define concealer and foundation, and I really like them. They're great for like every day. Wow, so this is the packaging. It says Revolution Pro on the side, and look how pretty. It's so pretty. I completely forgot that this was in here. Oh, nice. Nice. So you get like a champagne-y shimmer, a pink shimmer, and I'd say it's really light, but it's lilac. I'm not sure if that's going to pick up properly. And then like a multicoloured glitter down here, but how pretty are they? Absolutely stunning. Let's just swatch that one. That's quite grainy. That's the multicoloured. I didn't do a very good swatch there, but you get the image. It's very, very loose glitter, I'd say. But yeah, they look absolutely stunning. That is the lilac-y colour there. Oof. That one there is like the champagne colour. It's quite gold actually. And that's the pink, which you're probably not going to pick up on my skin because I'm already very pink. But yeah, really pretty. And last but not least, what do we have? We've got the Revolution Pro Hydra-Matte Translucent Setting Powder. Ultra-fine mattifying powder with hyaluronic acid in it. So this is the packaging, Revolution Pro, gold lid, and very white looking powder, which you could probably bake with that. I'm really looking forward to using that. I do already use a Revolution baking powder, but most of the time that's like an everyday one that I would use. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using the Revolution Pro version of it. But yeah, I'm so happy with the box. I will use all of the products. I just want to point out as well how much product you actually get in that highlighter. That's amazing. That'll like literally last me forever. Is it just me, or do highlighters just never run out? You definitely get way more for your money than I was expecting. As they're all full-size products. It's a really good deal. It is a limited edition box, so it won't be around forever, but it's not one of the monthly ones. So yeah, you can get that now on the website. I will link it down below. And yeah, so I'm glad to be back after a few weeks of being really poorly. I've got a few more videos to do as well. And then I do want to do a tutorial on a sunset eyeshadow look that I've been trying out. Yeah, so I'm gonna upload probably a couple more unboxing and a range haul, and then I'll pop up a tutorial on the sunset eye as well. But yeah, I hope everyone's doing all right. This is actually quite a quick video for me. I try not to waffle, and yeah, thank you for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.